So next, let's try something different. Let's create a website with an application on it. Okay, so next, let's create an application. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to ChatGPT, and now we're gonna instruct it to create an app for us. I wanna build an app that generates emails automatically for web design agencies. The web design generator will create lead emails in order to send to potential businesses in order to get clients. Can you create a prompt that will instruct Lovable to create an app that will generate these emails? Let's go ahead and press enter. Okay, so next we have the prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. So here is the prompt for Lovable. So it talks about the style and design, the pages, the core features, the email generation logic. It also gives us templates, right? Pretty cool. And then also some bonus features. So let's go ahead and take all this right here. We're gonna go ahead and take this. We're gonna copy this. And now we're gonna go over to Lovable and we're gonna paste this in. So I'll go ahead and paste this in. And then I will generate this app. And look at that, look at this website. This actually looks really good, right? It's like these buttons, like looks nice. I mean, this is a great structure. It even has this little like email thing, like really creative. Here we have why agencies choose us. And then here we can start generating leads, right? Now here I'll go ahead and click on generate email now. And here is the email generator. And this is something that you can use right now for your business, right? Or create a website and refer people there, whatever. Here we have the business type. Let's say, for example, I'm a real estate agent, right? And I want more leads. Here we go. Next, we have location. I'll put Los Angeles, our tone, friendly. Our unique selling points. Look at this. I want to boost your revenue by 60%. My agency name is Darrel's Place. And then I'll generate the email. And bam, here we go. We have a generated email where we can copy this and also share it to our favorite social network. Now also right here, we have templates and take a look at this. So they've actually included ready to use templates for our customers. So we have restaurants, legal, e-commerce, and real estate. Now you can always instruct the AI to create more of these templates. So all you gotta do, for example, is just click on e-commerce and instruct the AI to say, hey, you know what? I want you to make 100 templates for e-commerce. I want you to make 200 templates for real estate. You know, you can ask for pretty much anything you want and it'll generate it for you. But all in all, I'm really happy with the way this looks. It works perfectly and it looks really sharp.